Hi, this is Holly Draper. I'm the CEO and managing partner at the Draper Law Firm, and I'm coming to you today to talk a little bit about preparing for an enforcement. And that could be an enforcement related to child custody or related to child support issues. Enforcements are very technical cases, and you need to be sure that you are dotting all the I's and crossing all the T's if you want to be successful in court. Here are a few tips that can help you prepare. First, write down important information when it happens or near the time of the event. Keep a calendar or keep a journal where you are writing down anything significant, any violations of the court order at or near the time. Try to get proof if there's a violation of the court order. If you show up at the pickup location and the other side isn't there, what are you going to do to prove that you showed up? Send them a text message telling them you showed up. Get a receipt from the McDonald's on the corner showing that you were there right around that time. Do whatever you can to prove you were following the order and the other side was not. Number two, keep screenshots of text messages, social media posts, emails, anything that might be helpful to your case and that can show the other side is not complying or violating a court order. Number three, if you are not following the order with respect to the issue you want to enforce, you are going to lose. For example, if the other side tells you, hey, I am not going to let you have your summer possession this summer, don't show up. And you don't show up to the pickup location at the time listed in the order, you lose, even though the other side told you they were not going to give you possession. What you need to do is, even though you got that text message or that email saying, I'm not going to give you access, you show up at the date and time listed in the order to prove that there has actually been a violation. Until you do what you need to and they do not, you cannot enforce the court order. Number four, keep track of all violations of the court order. Yes, as a general rule, judges do not want you enforcing on little nitpicky, stupid issues. But what may be a nitpicky, stupid issue by itself could really add up to a lot if there are consistent violations or voluminous violations. It's better to write it down and have a record showing that violation and never need to use it than not keep track of things and now you realize your life has been miserable because constant violations from the other side and you really have no way of proving it or even going back to show what all those violations were. So those are just a few tips that can help you in preparing for an enforcement case. I hope they were helpful. If you need any help, please reach out. We would be happy to help.